Now I want to show you something for those who are doing sewing machines. Uh, it is very important thing that you support to know. That is the parts of the sewing machine. Very nice. Uh, you will see the parts of a sewing machine. You will see this is the thread take up. We have the thread take up lever. You see the thread take up lever. We have upper tension here, thread guide. With the thread guide, we have stitch regulator. We have reverse layer. This layer. We have the bobbin wider. This is the bobbin wider here. We have the balance wheel. Then we have the belt down here. It's the best one. This is the singer machine. Then we have the needle bar. This is the needle bar throat plate. This is the throat plate. We have the feed dog slide plate. This is the slide plate. You can slide it. Press a bar. If you can just move down here, you will see something very nice. We have this is the arm, and this is the bed. When you hear the term machine head, it's describing the outer shell of a sewing machine. Sometimes, as for vintage sewing machine, describes a sewing machine as a machine head only. That means that there is no motor. There's no motor, a foot pedal or attachment make the sewing machine work. Occasionally, the inner working are missing also. Now see the bed and the arm. You can carry it, then that's the bed. Your machine should have that thing. This is the bottom part of the machine, the underbed. To see the underbed of a sewing machine, gently you tip back the machine in its case or a cabinet. It's a good idea to keep one arm to provide support to the back. My one has a tendency to fall back with nothing behind it. You see the top view and this the bottom view and the upper view. The top view of a vintage sewing machine here. We see the pressure bar adjuster. We have the light switch. We have the light switch here. Then we have the spoon pin. Then we have the light switch up there. We have several things that you can see under this machine. We have the front view parts of the vintage sewing machine, the bobbin wider. You will see these things very simple. Sewing machine bobbin wider look different. The cotton threads from the spool to the guide down to the bobbin white tension. You see as you pulling the machine or pushing the machine, you see how this thread is moving. The bobbin wider powered by the hand wheel as it spins the rubber wheel, the bobbin. So you will see when you are playing with that wheel, you see the thread how it moves. This is how the picture of the thread how it's supposed to look like. You see, I think you are seeing how this thread is look like. Very nice, huh? It's a very nice thing. Now you will check. You'll see something else that is we are moving because we want to very great things. You'll see the stitch regulator. Stitch regulator. We have very talented and skilled guy called Rastas to attempt Total Bay. You see how this guy is working. Very nice, by the way. It's very nice, and this is a clear picture that that workshop is very serious. And if you want to learn, if you want to gain energy, you want to gain skill, just go there, opposite Total Bay. Just go down there. You can learn the skills, and you'll benefit. You become the beneficiary share out that kind of workshop. The apparition machine, the apparition dial usually on the outside of side machine. You'll see how these things they look like, and I like these things because the guys need it. Uh, you see that we have seen the upper part of the sewing machine, the bottom part, and there's some parts of our sewing machine. Um, you will see several things under the sewing machine knowledge. Um, uh, Sewing machine knowledge for those who are connecting with me and uh, connect with me and Facebook and whatever. You can join me. You can join me because I'm online now. Uh, Knowledge. This is the best thing. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, bro. Connected. You are connected. You can follow me there. Now, let us just move on. You'll see there are several parts of that sewing machine. Thread guide, and the thread take-up lever. All sewing machine in vintage modern have thread guide and a thread take-up lever. The thread guides these to guide and position of your thread to main parts of the sewing machine in order for a regular stitch and attention to be maintained. Lever, you see how this thread looks very nice. Huh? Okay, then when threading your VCM, make sure the thread take-up lever is in the highest position. The thread must pass through the small hole in the lever, otherwise you will get bunching of thread while sewing. So we have the slide plate and throat plate. The slide plate and throat plate, you see uh, the slide plate. You see, guys, for if you have a machine at home, the butterfly machine or any other machine, you see that plate there. You can slide it, thread plate and slide plate. Now this is how the thread plate is the smaller one over the feed dog. You will need to remove this every so often to clean. You're supposed to clean there. So if your teacher told you that clean the thread down there, make sure you have to know how to thread, how to slide plate. To thread the thread that slide plate is supposed to be open, and also for the occasional thread that may get jumped under. Then we have bobbin case. Now you see, if you open the slide plate, you will see bobbin case down there, feed dog. You see after the feed dog, along that you see the robin case. You see the robin case. Then you have the slide view, the same parts. So I mentioned the press bar just earlier. The bike sent down below the knob. It determines how much pressure is put on fabric and is fed through the machine. Remember, the press foot must be lowered, position to able to see. Did you see the press bar lifter? Then we have the press bar down here, needle bar. We have the needle clasher down to the thread of the slide plate down there. So we have the needle houses the needle clamp. Then you will see several things. We have the hand wheel. We have the hand wheel. We have the clutch release power terminal. Okay. You see the hand wheel, also known as the balance wheel. It flies wheel spins and moves the inner parts of the sewing machine, and in turn moves the needle up and down. Hand wheels attach the motor via belt and pull like that. There is a smaller wheel inside your hand wheel. There's a small wheel down there. This is a clutch release knob. Whenever winding a bobbin, turn this slightly until it feels loose. This stops that needle by going up and down while the bobbin it is winding, turning the opposite wheel before it's sewing. So we have the three prototype terminal. By but I want to show you something good here. Down here we have the motor controller. We have the motor controller knee lever. Foot pedals are wired into a power terminal connector, plugs and other wire into the wheel. This we don't use your legs, but there's some you use your legs, but you're pressing a machine. This is connected to it is powered. It is at the powered use electricity. Back view showing footage. We have the cover plates and we have the lights and the motor. So lastly, we have the back view of a belt driving motor. Is mounted on the back next to the lights. It is removable and if needed. Belt motors are the most common. Ported motors are less common. They don't use belt and are gear driven. You just use a gear down there. Directly to top of the motor and removing the tab screw to oil the inside the machine. So now that's the something that I want you to also understand. There's something another thing that I want you also to know about the thread. Okay, we have to see the top slide and the back view. Let us just, I think we have seen this thing. This is the top view of the vintage, and see, it's just an elevation. You see the top view of the vintage. This is the singer. Light switch, spin, spoon pin. Then this is the front view. Now this is the front view. I want you also to see. I want to make it clear to you. This is the front view. Sorry, this is the front view. The front view look like this. I see in my view as you see clearly. This is the front view. Then we have the slide view. Now this is the slide view. The slide view. The slide view. Sorry. I want to show you the slide view of this side view of this parts. Now there's something else that I want also to show you before we move to another thing. I think I've showed you everything apart from the parts and everything, the same machine and whatever. So we have something that I want to also to understand, so that you can be in a position to see. Now see, this is the down part of the machine. You see how this machine is on this table, bonding with your sewing machine. Down sewing machine become parts of the family. Now I want to show you the parts of a vintage. I think I've mentioned this, but I want at least to make it clear. We started here, and I want to go to the function of each and every part of the sewing machine. And I think we have seen several things on the bed and whatever. Now the next, we are going to deep down so that we can see how to move the wheel, how to make it work efficiently, and I hope this it will be helpful to you and to everyone who is just online watching. Uh, you see how this great worker is. Uh, it's a very good thing, and I myself I just like it. I like it. I like it because it really helps so many guys. I'm connected. You can connect with me via WhatsApp. Well, we have our YouTube channel. We have also something and the Facebook. Just go on the Facebook. You write SHOMELA Tailoring Shop. You will see several things there and how we are working and helping people sure they meet their dreams. So we have those guys who want to succeed in life, and it's good if they uh, we are going to help them reach uh, their destination. Okay, so just for now we want to stop there, and I hope that you guys you have understood something. And if you need things and a sewing machine, you will obviously see, and we shall be together. I will just show you so many things. But for now, this is the thing that I've prepared for you as a sewing machine, and I hope that it will help everyone